This video presentation shows how the issue of locks is analyzed with the use of the DBPLUS Performance Monitor software. The analysis starts with the Load Trends screen, which presents performance statistics for queries in an instance. During the first step for the given time span, that is, 20th of April, we can see the query load time in a per snapshot version, that is, in 15-minute time spans. We can see that the elapsed time is between 12 and 14 seconds per snapshot. During certain hours, however, this time increases to more than 2,000 seconds per snapshot. Let's see what causes this instance problem. In a further step, we select Locks Statistic, and we can see that it clearly overlaps with elapsed time. This leads to the conclusion that problems with increased duration of queries is caused by locks. To perform a further analysis, let's head to the Locks screen, where the Locks History tab for a given day will present which locks occurred and what caused the issue. The graph can be zoomed in. It consists of several series, where we can see the number of locked and waiting sessions and the wait time. Let's start by clicking on Chosen Point. Below, we can see the tree of sessions taking part in the lock. The locking session is at the top, and the waiting sessions are presented below. We can see that session number 53 is in a sleeping status. It started a transaction at 11:55 a.m. and has not executed anything for 257 seconds. Let's see the next snapshot. We can see that the sleeping period is increasing, and the session has not executed any query yet. Let's check another point. This is the same session, again in the sleeping status, and the query has not changed. What causes the problem? This is caused by bad management of the transaction process on the side of the user application. Now, we need to analyze the user application's code that uses the selected query and check it in the context of transaction capabilities. That is, accepting and refusing transactions. Because such steps as transaction refusal should take place from the level of the user application. As you can see, the session is in a sleeping status, and this issue cannot be solved on the level of the database. It will generate further problems and cause a performance degradation to other processes of this SQL Server instance. DBPLUS. Better performance.